All right, today we're going to bring some snap rings, and these are all sorted in different sizes. They give you 1/8 all the way to 1/4. All right, so look at all the smallest ones, and they're secure, very tiny, secure in bags, so they won't be loose like the larger ones. If you require any of these, this is a perfect to have in your shop as an emergency, or if you're working a mechanic or anything. And I like that they have this list here, listing them all. So this comes in handy if anybody's like, coming to your shop and they don't know what they're looking for. You tell them to look at the chart here and you get to find it. So very simple. I like it. They're very organized, small little box to take with you anywhere. Very detailed on everything. So like every single ring, snap ring, you guys can see that. Small collection here. After I start using these, I actually keep the box so I could put my screws too. So very handy. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me take it off. Here it is. It's actually easier to remove it than closing it. There it is. So when you want to snap it onto something, you go open it up a little bit more. It opens up a little bit and so forth, right? So open up like that. Close it, snap it in there. Do it slowly so you won't break them, all right?